All right, guys, 1996 Lexus LS400. We did it earlier in the year. We put Valvetronics on it and high flow cats and stuff. He brought it back today. He's like, it's not loud enough. Can you guys do anything else? So let me show you guys what we did. We converted it from wide pipe in, wide pipe out duals to true duals. So there's the high flow cats there and there. And then we added our own high flow there. We had one before right there. We reused this one and added another one to true dual it, as you guys can see there. So now it's a full true dual system all the way back into two Valvetronic mufflers, one there and one there. And there's the tips out the back there and there. All right, so it's got a full Valvetronics rear mufflers and true dual setup. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And then the wide pipe that was on it, as you guys can see, was right here. That's the one we cut off, and there's the other end, and we added the two cats. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Yeah, the valves are open right now, guys. So this is Lexus LS400, valves open. It is louder right away, right? How much of a difference that made? Yeah, it sounds like, now you can really hear the Valvetronics a lot more. Just what the doctor ordered. Again. There it is. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 105. 105. Again. Close the valves. It becomes stock again. There it is. So that your parents will stay happy. Here's sound decibels with the valves closed. Again. Right at 84. Open the valves now. What a difference, bro. All right, go ahead and back it up. Close them. It's crazy how quiet they get. Wow. I'll let you guys hear on the inside.
Valves closed. There we go.
So guys, now this is the owner of the vehicle, and he said we didn't rev it hard enough. He's gonna redline it. So here we go. And that's a cool dad recording for his son. I like that. Again. Yeah. What do you think? Big difference, right? Take it down the road. Let's go. This is valves open, Valvetronics, Lexus LS400 with true duals. It's definitely a lot louder.